Hi everyone, this is Surbhi from Digification. Today we learn how you can set up a site on local. Let's set up a WordPress site on local, and we are using here local by Flywheel, which you can easily download from localwp.com. You can go to localwp, download for free. You can choose your platform, fill in the details and get it now. It will install, it will download one file for you, and all you have to do is install that, and you should be ready with your local setup on your system. Now once you see the local is installed, you'll see this screen. I click on plus, add new site. Here I want to create a new site, so I'll click create a new site, continue. Here I have to name my site, so you could name anything. This is going to run on local, so this is going to be on your system. So let's say I am saying, let's set up, if we are setting up an e-commerce store, for example, XYZ store, and continue. Choose preferred, continue, and you have to put one username and password. For instance, I'm just putting XYZ store 90, and click on add site, and you'll see the screen provisioning services, starting up the site service, and you will also have to put in your laptop's password. It might ask you to make some following changes here, and you can create multiple sites here. Using this add local site, you can create multiple sites. Now here you can see that my XYZ store is built, and you can see the database tool, all the details, what is the site domain. And now to log into my XYZ store site, all I have to do is click on WP admin. And here you can see XYZ store.local, because .local is coming from my system, and the ID password. Add the ID password you had set. And I should see the dashboard. Here you go. Now you can see the dashboard, and this is my site. You'll see the latest theme of WordPress here, which is installed. The WordPress as a system is installed, and you can start creating your site. You can go to appearance, choose a new theme, and start working on it. So this is how you can set up local environment and start creating websites locally.